Hello, today I'm in MINI Countryman. In this video I'll show you how to update software of your car. In the beginning, make sure you've got latest software installed on external USB drive. You can download it from the MINI website. Once you've installed the latest software update on the USB drive, connect the USB drive to 3 USB port in your car. Next, take a look at the screen display and now go to Settings. Enter Software Update and select Update Software. Software update will be automatically installed from the external USB drive. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.